Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix input not supported monitor. To start, in the search box, enter the command msconfig, open the system configuration. There, you must go to the tab boot. Check the box, base video, click on apply, and then on OK. After this, click on restart to confirm this change. Wait for Windows to be restarted. You can see that in a moment the image looks smaller, then it will have its natural appearance and you will log in. When you access, right-click on the desktop to select Display Settings. Now in Display Resolution, you can select one of the available resolutions that will help you correct this error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.